What's up? It's Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you to adjust your date and time in Windows 11. But let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. What you're going to do is come down to the bottom right where you see your time and date. You're going to right click on that. You're going to click on adjust date and time. Wait for that to load up. You'll see your first option, set time zone automatically. I recommend turning that on if you're moving around a lot for work, just so it updates automatically. And then you have time zone. You can set that to whatever time zone you are. I'm here in Eastern time in the US, so I'm gonna leave it as Eastern time. Then you have adjust for daylight saving time automatically. I recommend turning that on as well because you don't want to get mixed up with your daylight savings times. And then you have set time automatically. This is actually where you change the date. So if you turn this off, wait for it to load, and then you have set the date and time manually. So you can click on change right there. And then as you can see, you can change the date and you can change the time manually. But I'm gonna click on cancel right there. I'm gonna turn on set time automatically. So that's how you change your time and your date within Windows 11. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And then make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget, take it easy.